In this video from Device Doctor, we show how to connect the Epson L18050 printer to your phone using Wi-Fi Direct. Step by step, we explain all the easy steps to help you do it.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, the Epson L18050 printer is powered on and ready to use. The first step is to turn on the printer's Wi-Fi Direct feature. To turn on Wi-Fi Direct, press and hold both the Wi-Fi button and the network button on the printer at the same time. Keep holding until two lights start blinking and the Wi-Fi Direct light stays solid. Now the blue Wi-Fi Direct light is steady, showing Wi-Fi Direct is on. To enable Wi-Fi router mode, just repeat the same steps again. To get the Wi-Fi Direct name and password, press and hold the printer's network button for 5 to 10 seconds. After printing, you'll find the Wi-Fi Direct name and password on the first page under the Wi-Fi Direct section. Now take your phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's name, and enter the password from the printed page to connect your phone to the printer. Enter the 8-digit password correctly to connect to the printer's Wi-Fi network. Now that your phone is connected to the printer, you can easily print directly from your gallery or file manager. However, I recommend using the official Epson app called Epson iPrint, which offers many useful features. You can find the download link in the video description. Connecting to the Epson iPrint app is very simple, and it allows you to print your documents easily and without any issues. Once connected, you can easily clean the printer, update its firmware, and even run a nozzle check, all directly from the app. And now, let's print a photo using the Epson iPrint app. In the Photo Settings section, you'll find many advanced options that aren't available when printing directly from the gallery. Here, you can adjust print quality, number of copies, paper type, and many other useful settings. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful in connecting your Epson L18050 printer to your phone using Wi-Fi Direct and making the most out of the Epson iPrint app. With these simple methods, you can print photos, documents, and even perform maintenance tasks, all from your phone with no cables needed. If this video was helpful, please support us by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips and tutorials from Device Doctor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next helpful video.